Hi, I'm John Buselink with Alpha Professional Tools, and today I'm going to be discussing with you our EZ Wedge and our EZ Click tile leveling system. Before I introduce our system to you, I would like to give you a brief history lesson of tile leveling systems. When tile leveling systems were invented, there were already spacers, so the objective was to level tile. As you can see, there's already a spacer installed in the corner of the tile for the calibration of the grout line. Now it's necessary to level off the tile, so we have 4 leveling systems which are required to make the tile level. As time went by, corner insulation was introduced to minimize the amount of applications to level off the tile. The way this method works, you take the cap, you screw it down on a joint clip, which takes time and effort. Once you tighten it up, it levels off the tile. Speaking to you today about the tile leveling systems from other manufacturers on the market today, we have wedge design, we have cap design, we have strap design. Some of the wedge designs requires tooling, which could be lost at the job site. Cap designs require connectors for the power tools. Strap design requires pliers, one for installation, another one for removal. In this particular case, this cap only lasts 8 times per the manufacturer. To compete against these systems, Alpha came out with 2 systems with unique features which provides more benefits for your tile leveling applications. Old generation wedge systems consist of 2 parts, the wedge and the clip. A total of 4 are necessary for insulation for leveling off the corner of each tile. Now I'm going to introduce our EZ Wedge system to you. You might be saying, this looks like an older wedge system that you used in the past. But let me explain our system. It comes with a wedge, a clip, and a tab. The way the system works is the wedge goes into the clip, and as it goes in, it actually raises and levels off your tile. But there's unique features and benefits to our system. Our clip here could be used in 3 different ways. It could be used for linear, a cross, and a T. And let me demonstrate how you could do that. You could take the clip as it is, and you could put it into a linear position on the tile. Or you could take the tab and insert it into the clip like so. And now we just made a cross section. The cross section could go right in the middle of 4 tiles, like so. Or we can make a T by taking the same tab, get a pair of scissors, and on the line already on the tab, we're just going to cut that off. And using the section that has the dot, we're going to insert it into the clip, like so. And now with the tiles here, you can see that we could actually make it into a T. And that would be the features and benefits of our EZ Wedge system. Now I'm going to explain the cotton box of the EZ Wedge. On the box itself, it's going to list details step-by-step on how to use the EZ Wedge. It lists the square footage coverage, so you know how many pieces you need for your job. And it also lists the calibration thickness of each clip. This particular box has our EZ Wedge. There's 130 pieces of the wedge inside. And when you purchase our clip and tab, there's 200 pieces of the clip and 200 pieces of the tab. Now, if you know that your job calls for the run-in bond, what you could take the box home, and with your tabs, you could pre-cut them and bring them to the job site, which is going to save you time and money. Now I'm going to explain the Alpha EZ Click leveling system to you. The Alpha EZ Clicks are available in 4 spacer calibrations. We have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. The 1 millimeter is available in linear style only. The 2 millimeter and above are available in 3 different styles, which are linear, cross, and tees. Each one is color grouped, so when you work with your job for spacer calibration, you need to work within that group for your entire floor job. Now I would like to explain the features and benefits of the Alpha EZ Click cap. As I discussed earlier, the older generation cap design, you need to manually screw on a joint base, which takes some time and effort to complete. The other cap design sometimes requires a connector and power tool, which you need to screw down, which takes time and effort. Now the Alpha EZ Click cap, you want to make sure it's in the on lock position. Place it on a joint base screw. Lock it. Now the tile is level. Now that the floor has been cured and the caps have been removed by either the kick-in or the mallet application, we need to remove the joint screws from the caps. The older generation, you need to unscrew the cap off the joint base screw, which takes a lot of time and effort. Now to show you the Alpha EZ Click cap, how easy it is, just unlock the mechanism, screw joint falls out, which makes it quick and easy. Now I'd like to speak to you about some additional features and benefits of using our EZ Click cap system. Our cap has a proprietary pattern on the very bottom, and what this does, it actually pushes debris away when you're in your final twists and turns. You put it down, and as you turn it, it's pushing your debris away. Our competitors has a guard or a shield, which just costs more money and takes more time and effort to install and remove at the job site. You put it down, screw the cap all the way down, it's not going to scratch, and that's how the system works. Now to take advantage of cost savings using our cap, you could take our joint screw from our competitors, and this will actually be interchangeable and work with this system, where it goes on and you can turn it, and then when the job is done and you kick it off, it releases also. Now, I would like to show you the information provided on each box of the EZ Click system. We have how to use, square foot coverage, style and spacer calibration, and for this system, the caps, there's 50 pieces of the cap in a box, and for the joint base screw, there's 200 pieces in the box. Now that you learned about the Alpha leveling systems, whichever system you choose, you could take advantage of cost savings, productivity, and most profit for your job.